Students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic Darwin theory. Darwinism is a theory of biological evolution developed by Charles Darwin and others. It states that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations and that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce, also called Darwinian theory. Natural selection. Natural selection is Darwin's most famous theory. It states that evolutionary changes come through the production of variation in each generation and differential survival of individuals with different combinations of these variable characters. Individuals with characteristics which increase their probability of survival will have more opportunities to reproduce and their offspring will also benefit from the heritable advantageous characters which spread the populations. Conditions of natural selection, reproduction, heredity, variation in individual characters among the members of the population, variation in the fitness of organism according to the state they have for the heritable characters. If these conditions are met for any property of species, natural selection automatically result. Types of natural selection. Natural selection occurs with or without environmental changes. It is the three types: direction selection, stabilizing selections, and disruptive selections. Directional selections, the first type of natural selection is called direction selection. It derives its name from the shape of the approximate Weyl curve that will that is produced when all individuals traits are plotted instead of the Weyl curve falling directly in the middle of the axis on which they are plotted. It swings either to the left or the right by varying degree. Hence, it is moved on one direction or the other. Stabilizing selection, the most common of the types of natural selection is stabilizing selections. The stabilizing selections, the median phenotype is the one selected for during natural selection. This does not skew the Weyl curve in any way. Instead, it makes the peak of the Weyl curve even higher than what would be considered normal. Over time, the intermediate state becomes more common and each extreme variations will become less common or lost. Stabilizing selections. Disruptive selections. Disruptive selections is also named for the way the Weyl curve skew when individuals are plotted on a graph. It occurs when natural selection favor both extremes of continuous variations over time. The two extreme variations will becomes more common and the intermediate state will be less common or lost. The disrupt means to break apart and that is what happens to the Weyl curve having one peak in the middle. Disruptive selections graph has two peaks with a valley in the middle of them. Disruptive selection can lead to, to new species. Disruptive selections. Thank you.